What's your name?
I am Precious Lumondon.
Do you have experience in domestic helper before?
I don't have any experience in abroad.
In Philippines, how long?
But in Philippines, since my mother came to Hong Kong, I already helping my father for 11 years to take care of my sisters.
How about your present employer? How long you working with this employer?
My employer is my uncle, sir.
They pay your salary?
They only I taking care of their daughter, but they only giving us allowance.
They give you allowance. How much
Yes.
they give you?
2K, 2.5, sometimes 3.
2,000 to 3,000 pesos. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, any children there?
Sir?
Any children? Baby? Any children? Children? Kids?
Children?
Yeah, any children there?
My sister, she was 2 years old, and my
No. I mean the family you take care.
I mean the family that I take care.
Yeah.
7 years old, sir.
7 years old.
Yeah,
Boy or girl?
girl.
Girl. Sometimes you don't want to eat. What will you do?
I convinced her to eat.
Okay, how to convince?
I'm convincing her that she needed for her health, and he need to eat to not to get sick, sir.
Okay. So why you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to pursue my dreams and also help my parents for the tuition of my sisters who still studying right now in college.
Okay, thank you.